Hello and welcome to Minecraft Unanswered Questions. This is a series with Danny because he's like the main helper.
So in this series, we will be answering all the questions you've had for Minecraft that you've never known the answer to. So, for the first one of the series is we will be doing which fuel source is the best fuel source for which one lasts the longest. There have been many. Some people would say lava, some people would say coal block, some people would say blaze rods, but we've never actually known which fuel source is actually lasts the longest. So today we're gonna find out.
Yep, that's right.
So feel free if you guys have any ideas or any other questions that you want to get answered, feel free to leave them in the comments, and we can consider trying to find the answer to your questions that you've never known. And yeah. Yes. So you could do the honor, or do you want me to do the honor? You and of starting the
I'll
system.
do it. They get to see. So, Danny has set up a machine that will start the smelting of all these at the same exact time, according to him. Danny Tech moment. And yeah, let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, it was exactly the same time.
That's good. So yeah, now we're gonna speed up the video, and then you can see the item frames. We're gonna be using the kelp block, the mushroom block, the blaze rod, the coal, and the wood, and the lava. And then you're gonna see as they go off which one lasts the longest, and then we'll check the full total in the end.
Okay, the results are in, and Danny's the one holding them. So let's listen to Danny.
Yes. So we are gonna be starting at the worst fuel source. So the two worst fuel sources on the list was a tie for the mushroom block, this mystical block, which you may or may not have known as a fuel source, but now you know, and the wood block over there. They both smell a stack and a half of diamonds.
Yep. So yeah, if you
So yeah,
so yeah, now you can like go on knowing that mushroom and logs are the same.
and now they're the same. So the next one would be in fourth place would be the lava, which does 4 more diamonds than these ones. So basically, it's 1.56 stacks. So yeah, and for these ones over here, there's some. Well, they're kind of a little bit better. So you're gonna want to use the kelp and the blaze rods and coal over those ones. Actually, lava is pretty good fuel source because it's very easy to get. Just grab some from the nether, but these are the most. So in third place, we have the blaze rods, which was, well, yeah, it's not actually the right amount, but whatever. In there. This is one. So this is with 8 of them. So if you do some high quality math, which I did not in my head, it ends up going to a stack of blaze rods gets you to 12 stacks of diamonds smelted,
Nuts.
which compared to 1.5 is a lot better. Now in second place is the kelp, which also had to do some math. This is a fraction of it. Is 20 stacks of diamonds. It can smelt 20. A stack of kelp blocks can smelt 20 stacks of diamonds. And the winner was the coal block, which smelts a mind-boggling. A stack of coal blocks. Remember, everything here is a stack except for the lava. The lava bucket you can't stack. Is 80 stacks of diamonds. A stack of coal blocks can make 80 stacks of diamonds. This in here, that's 1 coal block.
Yeah, this is 1.
If you multiply that times 64, which means it happened with 64 blocks, 80 stacks.
Nuts.
Mind-boggling. So now you guys know. Don't, when you go mining, make sure to grab the coal, because I think it's a lot easier than mining a lot of trees for fuel. All this coal, wowzers.
Yeah,
Coal
and just
blocks.
1 coal block. That's 9 coal. You put that together, craft the coal block, and you can get a stack and 16 diamonds, or whatever your mine, or
It's pretty much,
whatever
if
you're
you go
smelting.
mining, yeah, if you go mining and get a stack of iron, all you need is 9 coal to smelt it. Crazy. So, we hope you learned something new today in the Minecraft Unanswered Questions. So yeah, I hope this helped you guys out.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you for watching, guys. Consider subscribing if you haven't joined. And
want
I'll see
cookies.
yeah, if you want a cookie, you have to subscribe. And I'll see ya next time. Bye.